Hey, sit. Down. Aww. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. You want more? You want more? Sit. Hey, sit. Give me your hand. Other hand. Okay, just eat it. Just eat it. Good girl. Ready? Come here. Let go. Ready? Ready? Are you ready? Woo! You ready? Alright guys, welcome to today's video. Bailey is just going crazy. Bailey. Bailey. Say hi to the camera. Oh, alright. So I'm gonna try to do this video, but she wants to play as usual. Hey, give me like 10 minutes, alright? Go get it. Alright. So, you just lost your ball. Your ball's over there. Anyway, so today's video is going to be a really quick update video. I do have my redhead steering gearbox right here. I am going to unbox it to you guys and then show you guys what all is included in this box. And oh my goodness, by the title, you guys are probably wondering, what does he mean by it never goes the way you plan stuff? Well, what I mean by that is the redhead steering gearbox was supposed to come in on Tuesday, which was yesterday, and I was supposed to replace the gearbox, idler pitman arm, and then replace the rear brake pads and all that stuff. However, and I was supposed to do that with a buddy of mine, Mark, the guy that drives the lifted two-wheel drive GMC Sierra. And however, the UPS in my town, they've just been on point lately, bringing 3 wheels instead of 4, and they were supposed to bring this to my house by around 4 o'clock, 3 to 4 o'clock usually. And of course, the day you plan something, they don't bring it till like 7 o'clock. So I had to cancel the plan, and I was just like, hey Mark, let's just reschedule it to like Sunday. So we're planning on doing that Sunday. I'm still gonna go get my wheels and tires mounted at dealer options tomorrow. So I will post that video on Friday. However, there's a slight chance that my tires might not be in. So if that's the case, then I won't be able to mount my tires tomorrow. But let's hope that let's hope that my tires are actually there and they can mount them tomorrow. But I think it's actually a good thing that we didn't do the gearbox right now. And the reason being is I'm gonna do a comparison video. So I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna put the 14 wides on my truck and then show you guys how much play I have. And then after I put the gearbox, the redhead gearbox, I'm gonna show you guys how much play it doesn't have anymore. And also I'll just show you guys how much easier it is to turn the wheel, because right now it's not that easy to turn my wheel unless it's moving. If it's moving, that's fine, but redhead gearbox is supposed to make it a little bit more firm and allow me to turn the 37s a little bit easier. Hey girl, don't mess up my wheels. So that's gonna be a pretty good comparison update video. So stay tuned, you guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the redhead gearbox and show you guys what all is included. Let's just sit here and then we're gonna do the unboxing, okay? Sit, sit, jump, jump, sit, sit, sit. She's so excited. All right. Another box. Good one, guys. You got me. You got me. You got me there. It does come with multiple decals. I like decals. Sit. First, they sent me a t-shirt. It's a pretty good looking t-shirt, I would say. And the back says, steering you into the right direction. Clever. A look at the gearbox. So it weighs about, I'll say 20 to 30 pounds. There you go. Redhead gearbox. Stay tuned until, I guess, Monday, because on Sunday we're going to install this bad boy on a good old Duramax. It should stiffen up the ride a little bit, or stiffen up the steering wheel a little bit, and then help allow me to, you know, turn the freaking 37s on 14 wides. I'm pretty excited for the gearbox, mainly because I'm kind of sick of having a little bit of play when I'm driving, and especially if I'm going to go 14 wides. I want it to be firm and like sturdy. I don't want it to be wobbly either. So definitely excited, and I think it's gonna be a really good comparison video. So if you guys were like planning on maybe upgrading to redhead gearbox, or wondering, well, if you guys were wondering, you know, is it worth it or not, make sure to stay tuned for Monday's video. And actually what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna finish wiring up the Demon Eyes. I'm not going to wire up the halos just yet, because I think I'm going to go with a Bluetooth setup. I don't have that ordered yet, but I'm going to wire the Demon Eyes. Richard is here, and Richard is going to help me. Richard's just going to be here. He's just going to be chilling. He's not really going to help out. He doesn't know what he's doing. He drives a BMW. There you go, Bailey. Bark. Demon Eyes are done again. Check it out. So the way alright, so I had to switch over to my cell phone because my DSLR just died. But what I have is I have it wired to the running light. So whenever I lock it or unlock it, the Demon Eyes will flash, and I can also turn on the daytime running lights, and that's how I can turn the Demon lights on. And I really like this idea. Also, I just ordered extra set of Demon Eyes, or the LEDs for the Demon Eyes, and color shift halos. I ordered 2. So if you want them, DM me on my Instagram. I'll put it right here. DM me and let me know, and then just reserve, I guess, reserve a set for yourself. And the Demon Eyes that I ordered are actually color shift, so they're going to be multi-colors instead of just red. That's going to be pretty badass. But that is it for today's video. Stay tuned. I'm hoping to get the wheels installed tomorrow, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.